In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add Voice Memos shortcut to your iPhone's control center, right here. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, head over to Settings. Then scroll down a bit and tap at Control Center. And that's where you can easily add or remove shortcuts from the Control Center. To do that, to add a shortcut to the Control Center, you need to first just find it at More Controls, and once you find a shortcut, all you have to do is just tap at that plus sign next to shortcut's name, and what that will do, that will immediately move it to included controls, which means that this shortcut has already been added to the control center. We can easily check that by swiping down from the top right corner. As you can see, now Voice Memos shortcut located right here. We can tap on it to open up Voice Memos app. Also, from here, we can change the order of these shortcuts simply by dragging them up or down, and that will change the order of shortcuts in the control center. If we want to remove a shortcut from our control center, we can just tap at the minus sign next to shortcut's name and then just select Remove. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.